Hello and welcome. In this session, we are going to see how to get access to SAP Datasphere and SAC. Access to SAP Datasphere and SAC is simple. SAP will provide trial access easily. So to get Datasphere trial version access, just go to Google and type SAP Datasphere trial. Click on Experience SAP Datasphere so that you will come into a page. Let's say I'll show you how it looks in a Word document. So you'll come to this page here. Click on try now. It will ask for a business, like your email. It will ask for business email. You can provide your email. Click on next, and you have to fill some details. After that, a pop-up will come like this with your user ID and password. Here you can see the link here. You can click that link and you can give user ID and password and you can log in into Datasphere trial. Suppose I'll show you how the Datasphere trial looks like. You can see in this tab, I logged into my SAP Datasphere trial account. So here I have like many things like data marketplace, semantic onboarding, business builder, data builder, etc. Okay, under the below section, you can see space management, translation, transport, data sharing, cockpit, everything. But with trial version, we don't get like all the features. We will be missing some feature like suppose the security related options are not there and administration things are not there. And also suppose if I go to data builder, I think I see some of the options are missing like data access control and all. So instead of trial version, if we go for activation of free plan through BTP, we get even the security and administration part. Even in case of SAC also similar. If you go for trial version, you will be missing the security and administration related, sections here. So now let's jump back to Datasphere. I have a Datasphere which is activated through BTP. So this is how it looks. Here I can see like more option. I have like security. Here I can create user roles. I can see different activities and I can also see like under system, I have configuration and administration. If I jump back to my trial version, I don't see those things here. I cannot see the administration part and the security part. But in Datasphere, I can see the plan which I activated. But it's a free plan. We don't need to pay. We'll have 90 days. And similarly, I have also activated instance of SAC through BTP. Here also you can see, if I go to SAC, I can see like security related access and also I can do administration part. But how to activate these instances in BTP free plan? We have to like follow some process and it will be a lengthy process. Actually, I tried to record the step-by-step process, but it's gonna take a lot of time. So what I did is I created a document with all the screenshots step by step, and I'll show you how to, how you can create a BTP account and then you can activate the Datasphere Analytics Cloud free plans. So let's jump into the document and I'll show you each step-by-step process, how you activate the Datasphere and SAC accounts. Sorry for that. It was still loading. Let's maximize this so that you can see clearly. I hope you can see my screen now. So how to get access to Datasphere and SAC through BTP free plan. We don't need to pay anything for this. So just go to Google, search for BTP cockpit, and you'll get this cockpit link. Click on that. Then you'll come into this page. Just click on register here. It'll ask for business email. You can provide your Gmail and click on next. So now you'll have to provide more details here, like you also have to give mobile, but that is optional, not mandatory. But we need to give the mobile number later steps. Okay, it is last at some point. I'll show you that. And it'll ask for the company and department these details. You can give any like you can see here. I gave XYZ and fill these details. Click this checkbox and submit. Now you'll get a message saying, click your email, finalize your SAP.com account. Okay. So now if you go to your Gmail, which you provided above, you might have received an email saying activate your account for SAP.com. Just come here and click to activate your account. Once you click that, it will ask for, to create a password. Just create a password, click on checkbox and verify and submit. Once you get once done, you will get this message. You can see here it is asking you to log in into your BTP trial account, free trial. Okay. You have the link, you can, but at this point, just close this window. Don't log in. I'll show you why. I'll tell you why later. Just close this. And on the same page, just close the above pop-up, and on the same page, just scroll down to the section called SAP BTP pricing options. Here you can see different plans, enterprise agreement, pay as you go, and subscription. So for now, just go with pay as you go and click on start now. Once you click that, it will ask details of company and address, provide the details and click on continue. So just give the same company and just give some address and industry you can select, click on continue. Then you'll come to this page. Here it will ask you to select the plan if you want to select for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. But don't worry, we're not going to pay anything here. It's a zero. Okay, it's a free plan. So we are not going to add any paid services here. So just click on add cart, click on checkout. Here you'll come here. Before clicking on continue to checkout and review, you need to provide a GST number, else you'll get an error like below screenshot. Like suppose I click on continue without giving the GST number, I got an error. Okay, but I don't have a GST account number. So what I did is, you can see I copied the number shown in error and changed the last 2 characters. Like suppose it gave me an error saying you have to give some GST number, like example, I just copied the same and pasted and gave some last 2 characters I changed, like for example, you see here. Okay. And once you give that, click on checkout review, it will work. You'll get this message saying now click on place your order. Okay, just place your order. You'll get the message saying thank you for your order. That means order is successful. Now let's go back to your Gmail. You might have received some emails like below email confirmation of your order. This is just for confirmation of our order. You can ignore this. And there will be one more email for BTP trial access. If you remember BTP trial access, there was a pop-up we closed without logging in. So that's the same one. If you want to log into BTP trial access, just click on access your trial. Here it will ask for your mobile number. Give the mobile number. and click on continue. Sometimes you'll get error. Just go back and click again, or clear your browser history. Now, after giving the mobile number, you will get the code. Enter the code. Click on continue. Now you will come to this BTP trial account. Remember, in BTP trial account, you will not be able to activate, Datasphere and SAC instance. In trial account, we will not be able to activate these two. Okay, it just for just to look how trial account look. You must select one region which is near to you. So here it's giving two options, US and Singapore. I selected Singapore. Click on continue. It will take some time and create your global and sub accounts. After completion of this, click continue. It will take some time to create. Click on continue. I will get this message. Just go to your trial account. Click on that. This is how your trial account looks like. So in case of trial account, the global account and your sub account is also created automatically. Okay, but here, remember, you will not be able to activate Datasphere and SAC. I think I opened somewhere. Let's see, my trial account is still there. Yeah, you can see this is my trial account which I created. Suppose in BTP, if we want to activate any services, we'll go to entitlements. Sorry, we have to first go into sub account. Under the sub account, you have something called entitlements. If you click on entitlements, on the right hand side, click on edit. You will get add service plans. Click on add service plans. Here you can search whether these services are available or not. Let's search for Datasphere. I don't see anything. You can see here. And let's search for SAP Analytics Cloud. Even SAP Analytics Cloud also not there. So that's what in BTP trial account you will not be able to activate these Datasphere and SAC. So now what to do? Now let's jump back to our document. Now let's go back to your email, like Gmail. You might have received another email. Okay, once you log into this trial account, once it is done, you might have received another email with below details of BTP URL. Once you place the order, it'll take some time to get this email. So that's why I have not recorded the live session because it was taking a lot of time. I got this email later, like after 30 minutes. So now if you will get this email, access information for your SAP Business Technology platform, and it will give the URL for this BTP. Make sure to bookmark this URL. This is your BTP account URL if you want to log in later at some point of time. Click on this link. So it will open the BTP account. This is not a trial account. This is actual account. Here you can see we don't have any sub accounts here. We have global account which is created with our company name, and sub accounts are 0. Now let's do one thing. Click on create. You will get this drop down. Click on sub account. It will ask you to select the region. You will get this pop-up. Here you can. I hope you can see the screen. Let's maximize. So to create sub account, display name has come automatically. And sorry, you have to give the sub account name. I gave the XYZ sub account, description same. Under the region, you can see there are many cloud service providers. This is basically we have to choose a data center. You have Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, SAP Cloud Services also available. So you have to choose one data center which is near to you. Let's minimize. And here you can see I selected Mumbai, which is near to me, region. And after that, yeah, no need to change anything here. Click on create. Now, now the sub account creation is in progress. It will not take much time. And once the sub account is created, I mean, you can see like this. Click on sub account, go inside sub account. And when you go inside sub account, you can see there are 0 instances and subscriptions because we have not activated any instances. So click on entitlements on the left side, like how we did in the trial version. Click on entitlements and it will come to this page. Click on edit and then you'll get add service plans. Click on add service plans. Now it will come to again the same page what we have seen during the trial version. Okay, now in the search bar, search for Datasphere. You see, now we got Datasphere here. In the trial version, we didn't get this. So once you search here, you'll get the Datasphere. Click on Datasphere. On the right side, you will see these different options. Select the free plan. We're going for free plan actually. Okay, select the free plan. Click on add service plan. Now again, click on add service plan. This time let's add SAC also. Search for Analytics Cloud. Select that. Again here you select the free plan. Click on add services. Once you click on add services here, it will come to this page again. Here make sure to save this. Okay, once you save, now click on the left side under services, you have service marketplace. You can click that. You will see our SAP Analytics Cloud and Datasphere. So let's click on Datasphere. Once you click on Datasphere, it will ask you to create instance. So just click on create. Here it will ask some details, like you will get this pop-up. You have to provide the instance name. Remaining options will come automatically and the plan will be free. So just give instance name as Datasphere and click on next. In the next section, give your name and mail IDs. Click on next. Click on create. You will get a pop-up saying service instance creation is in progress. If you want to see, click on view instance. You'll get this creation is in progress. Similarly, let's create SAC instance also. Just go to service plan, service marketplace, click on SAP Analytics Cloud, click on create. Again, it will ask us to give instance name. Give the name, click on next. Provide your name and mail IDs. Here you can see it will give, I think you can create up to 6 users for intelligence and planning one, like that, different options, but you don't need to change anything. Just provide your name and mail, click on next and click on create. And again, you'll get this pop-up, instant creation is in progress. You can view the instant creation by clicking on the view instance. Now you see SAC instant creation is also in progress. So this will take some time to complete the process. Okay. Let's see whether it's created or not because it was in progress. Let's go back to my this browser. Did I open? Okay. See, there is one more. Yeah. So this, okay, you can see it's already created now. So now my Datasphere and SSC instance are created in BTP through BTP. Now I can log in just by clicking here. Once you log into BTP, if you want to log into Datasphere, I can click on Datasphere. I have to provide my email ID and password. Just wait for some time. Yeah, you can see now I logged in. Let's close this pop-up, close this. You can see your free plan tenant will expire in 90 days. So you'll have 90 days. And let's minimize this. Okay, here if you observe something, I just logged in for the very first time and I don't see any options apart from data marketplace and semantic onboarding. I don't have data builder, business builder, and other options where I actually work, because if any Datasphere consultant, they want to create objects, they have to create in the data builder or business builder, but I don't have those options. So how do we get those options? And those things we will see in the next session, because there is something called space management. Suppose if I go to my space management, I don't have any spaces. I can create the space. Then there is some process if you want to get those details, like data model, data builder, business builder. So let's click on go. And but here you can see I got the option to create users, roles, authorization over activities, and system administration. Okay. And here, if you go to system and administration, let's wait for some time. Yeah, under tenant links, you can see this is a URL for your Datasphere. You can see the same in the URL. Okay. Now let's also log into SAC. So again, go back to your Datasphere, BTP. Click on SAC. Let's close the pop-ups. Yeah. Here you can see again, like more options. Here you have everything like multi-actions, data actions, and security related system administration. These options will not come with the trial plan. So you'll have some limited access and you'll not able to explore more. By using this, by activating through BTP, the free plans, we will get more options. So I hope you understand how to, get access to Datasphere and SAC with like security and administration. I will attach the document as a resource so that you can create, by seeing the document directly. And in the next session, we are going to see like spaces in Datasphere, because we need to get the data builder and business builder options to, create any object. So before that, we have to look into space management. What are spaces in Datasphere? And how to create that, and what are options are available when you go inside the space, how to add the users and all. We'll see in the next session. And I hope you learned something new in this session. And thank you. And I will see you in the next session.